What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Logan, the Bernese is Mike, the Golden is Oakley, and this is the 350Z that we've been LS swapping. Real quick before we get to the video, I've noticed that about 80% of the viewers are not subscribed, so if this is something that you're interested, first track day is March 19, which is like a month from now. Hit that subscribe button. Really helps the channel grow. Now that we have that out of the way, in today's video we're going to be installing a Bell Raceworks differential brace. The thought behind this is that the stock Z and Gs have the differential and it's mounted to the subframe with two bolts that go up into the subframe and one stud that goes into a rear cross member. So with this brace it will stiffen up the differential and prevent cracking that tends to happen in the subframe due to torque and drifting and racing and just all sorts of forces put on it. So let's get to it. Should be a short video. Just got to get the car up in the air and I'll bring you right back. As you can see, I got the car up in the air and I got the brace right here. These two holes go straight to the actual diff cover, and then this one goes to that rear cross support with this bushing. And they provide all this hardware for you. It's always kind of difficult filming up underneath the car without a lift. Ooh. But this is the hole that I was referring to that we're going to use, and then these two, I believe, are the two bolts that we will remove and use the new hardware in. So I think there might have been instructions, but I misplaced them. So I'm going to just kind of make it up, but it can't be that difficult. These are two 14mm bolts. And here you can see the bolt and the bushing that's going to go in that hole. So this is what we have so far. Then there's a washer and a nylon lock nut that goes on the back side of the upper bolt. Alright, and just like that, we're done. Super easy. And from what I've heard, it's a great benefit. So, whether or not you're LS swapping or going forced induction on the VQ or just keeping it stock and want to drift, or take your car to the track, this is a cheap $120, I think, $130 upgrade that will help out in the long run. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. Super easy install. I think I could have done it in 5 minutes if I wasn't dealing with the dogs barking at neighbors and setting up the camera and getting the GoPro working. Don't know why it was giving me fits. Anyways, very happy with the install. Fitment's great, and I'm excited to hopefully never need it. You know, it's one of those things where you hope you never have to actually, you know, depend on it, but I think it will work really well. Big special shout out to my girlfriend Isabel. She actually got it for me for Christmas, and it's taken me a couple months to get it installed, but if you look at the other videos, we've had a lot going on. That'll do it for this video. If you like the content, give it a big thumbs up. If you like the build and the channel and what we're doing, you want to see it hit the track, March 19, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.